Did you know that simply keeping your hot tub at the right temperature will save you money on your utility bill? Or that adding a cheap floating blanket on top of your water can keep tons of heat from escaping? If you want to run your spa more efficiently, we've got 6 tips to help you save money on your hot tub energy bill. Check it out. Before we dive in, how much does it cost to run a hot tub? Well, your energy bill is affected by several factors: your hot tub's make, model, and age, your local utility costs for water and electricity, how often you use your hot tub, whether you keep your hot tub running, your climate and outside temperature, your hot tub's water temperature, and how well you take care of your hot tub. Typically, the cost to run an energy-efficient hot tub is about $1 per day or a $20 to $30 increase in your monthly electric bill. However, if your hot tub is really old or not well taken care of, it can cost up to $50 per month. Newer, high-quality hot tubs are designed to maintain their temperature and reduce running costs. But regardless of what kind of spa you have, there are 6 things that you can do to save money on your hot tub energy bill. Number 1 is to insulate your hot tub. Your hot tub's insulation affects how quickly the heat leaves the water and how much energy you need to keep your hot tub warm. High-quality hot tubs come with insulated base pans and energy-efficient foam insulation to help preserve heat. But adding some additional insulation can really help. Extra padding underneath your hot tub can help prevent heat loss through the ground. And a high-quality hot tub cover with a built-in radiant heat shield is the best way to keep your water warm and your energy use low. Just make sure your hot tub cover is secured when you're heating up your hot tub so that the heat doesn't escape. You may also want to consider getting a floating thermal blanket. A floating thermal blanket sits between the water and the cover and can help keep even more heat in your hot tub. Most thermal blankets also double as solar blankets, and that means when it's warm outside, you can soak up the sun's rays to help heat up the water. Number 2, set your hot tub to the right temperature. Now, you may have heard that it's cheaper to leave your hot tub running all the time, but it really depends on how often you use it and what temperature you keep it at. If you use your hot tub once a day, aim to keep your hot tub temperature around 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius. Now, you may want to increase the temperature before you get in, but keeping it at 95 degrees means you're not wasting a lot of energy maintaining a high temperature. Just be sure to lower it down to 95 degrees after you're done using it. If you use your hot tub every 2 to 3 days, you may want to keep it around 80 degrees Fahrenheit or about 26 degrees Celsius. You'll still use less electricity if you keep it running, but you'll also save money by not keeping it constantly hot. If you use your hot tub only once a week, you may want to consider turning it off between uses so long as it's not freezing outside. If you live in a colder climate, you'll need to keep your hot tub running 24/7 in the winter or winterize your hot tub if you're not using it. Number 3, heat up your hot tub during off-peak utility hours. Electricity is often cheaper late at night or early in the morning when less people are using it. If your hot tub thermostat has a circuit timer, set this to heat your spa during off-peak hours. Now, real quick, before we get into the number 4 and number 5 energy-saving tips, if you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your hot tub questions, go check out our hot tub handbook and video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. Okay, tip number 4, block your hot tub from the wind. The more the air above your spa moves, the more quickly the water will evaporate. It'll also cool down your water, and that means your heater will have to work even harder to maintain the temperature. So when you're using your hot tub and the cover is off, try to block its exposure to the wind. Either move your hot tub to a more protected place or create a windbreak around your hot tub with small bushes or a barrier screen. Number 5, keep your hot tub clean. Dirty hot tub water takes a toll on your filtration system and creates buildup inside the plumbing. And that means that your system, including your heater, will have to work twice as hard to heat things up. This is why regular, simple cleaning can actually save you money in the long run. Use a hot tub cleaner on the exposed part of your hot tub shell, clean the pillows to keep them free of mildew, and most importantly, clean the hot tub filter on a regular basis. You can rinse off your filter every 1 to 2 weeks with a hose and spray with a filter cleaner every month. You'll also want to soak your filters every 3 to 4 months in a chemical soak. And when you can't get the filter clean anymore, it's time to replace it. Number 6, close your jets when you're not using your spa. When your jets are open, cold air is sucked into the system and the water. Closing the jets when you're not using the spa will help keep cool air out and the water temperature steady. However, you'll want to turn on your jets when you're heating up your hot tub. This helps circulate the water and moves around the heat more evenly. Now just wait until your hot tub's full and all of your jets are submerged before you turn them on. And finally, if you really want to save money on your energy bill over the long run and you use your hot tub often, consider upgrading to a newer energy-efficient spa. Having an older hot tub is kind of like having an older car. You may need to invest in larger repairs so that it runs better. But at a certain point, it's worth considering buying something newer. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.